Good evening friends, you are most welcome to Think Ice channel. Today we are going to discuss Ghatna Chakra, Indian history, and we are discussing ancient history, Indus Valley civilization. Let us begin the question and answers. Human society is unique because it depends mainly on economy. Human society mainly depends on economy. As economy changes, human society changes accordingly. Which of the following is related to Harappa civilization? Indus Valley civilization. Harappa is an archaeological site related to Indus Valley civilization. Since the first archaeological evidence of this civilization was obtained from Harappa, Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappa civilization along with the ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia. It was one of the three ancient civilizations of the world. Indus Valley civilization exists in Proto-historic age. Historical period is determined with respect to the available written literature. The period before which knowledge of the art of writing was not available is called early historical age. Indus Valley civilization is proto-historical civilization, although the writing was known during this period, but it is still not been deciphered. Indus Valley civilization was non-Aryan because it was an urban civilization. Indus Valley civilization was an earliest known urban civilization of Indian subcontinent, whereas Aryan civilization was rural civilization. The important reason to keep Indus Valley civilization before Aryan civilization is potteries. The knowledge of script and town planning of Indus Valley civilization was more developed than that of pre-Aryans. Different archaeological pieces of evidence of pottery have been found in the early settlements of Mehergarh from the Indus Valley civilization. Pottery found during excavations prove that Indus Valley civilization existed before Aryan civilization. The red potteries painted with the black figures were the speciality of Harappan civilization, whereas the grey painted potteries were used by Aryans. The Indus Valley culture was different from the Vedic civilization because it had the amenities of developed city life. It has a pictographic script. It lacked knowledge of Aryan and defensive arrow. The culture of Indus Valley civilization was different from the Vedic culture in many ways. The Indus Valley civilization was urban while the Vedic culture was rural. The script of Indus Valley civilization was of depictive expressions. The people of Indus Valley civilization did not know the use of iron, whereas the people of Vedic civilization used the iron weapons extensively. Match the following list: Indus Valley civilization, urban civilization; later Vedic society, agrarian society; Rig Vedic society, pastoral society; medieval period, landlordism or feudalism. The source of knowledge about Harappan culture is archaeological excavation. The first artifact uncovered in Harappa was a unique stone seal carved with a unicorn and an inscription. Similar seals with different animal symbols and writings have been found throughout the region. First man who discovered the seal was Alexander Cunningham, who was the director of Archaeological Survey of India at 1871 or 73 around. Although the writing has not yet been deciphered, evidence found during the early archaeological excavation is the major source to know about the Harappan culture. Which of the following throw light on Harappan culture? Archaeological excavations. The main source of knowledge about the inhabitants of Indus Valley civilization is the discovery of seals. The site of Indus Valley civilization was excavated in 1920, and objects such as tools, weapons, ornaments of archaeological or historical interest are found there. But the main source to know about the civilization or this civilization is seals. There are more than 3000 seals found. 3000 seals found. Which of the following match is not correct regarding the origin of Harappan civilization? Not correct. Not correct. M. Rafiq Mughal. Harappan civilization was inspired by Mesopotamian civilization. It is incorrect. Correct are E. J. H. Mackay. Migration of people from Sumer. Mortimer Wheeler. Migration of idea of civilization. Amalananda Ghosh. Amalan Amalananda Ghosh. Pre-Harappan culture matured to make Harappan civilization. About the origin of the Harappan civilization, many scholars have presented different thoughts. E.G.H. Mackay has considered that the origin of Harappan civilization was due to the migration of people from Sumer, southern Mesopotamia, while historian D.H. Gordon and Mortimer Wheeler considered that the Harappan civilization was the result of migration of idea of civilization from Western Asia. In this context, Amalananda Ghosh has considered that pre-Harappan culture matured to Harappan civilization. M.F. Rafiq Mughal considered that the development of Harappan civilization occurred in the region of Ravi River at Harappa. He refutes the old belief that Harappan civilization was inspired by Mesopotamian civilization. He refutes. The earliest evidence of silver in India is found in the Harappan civilization and Harappan culture. Harappans were known to silver. The evidence of its proper use has been found from Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. These people used to get silver from mines of Jawar and Ajmer in Rajasthan. Other sources of silver were Afghanistan and Iran of Harappa for Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. The earliest evidence of animal domestication and agriculture in India has come from Mehergarh. Mehergarh is a Neolithic site located near the Bolan Pass on the Karachi plain of Balochistan, Pakistan, to the west of the Indus Valley or Indus River Valley. Mehergarh is now seen as a precursor to the Indus Valley civilization, displaying the whole sequence from earliest settlement and the start of agriculture to the mature Harappan civilization. Mehergarh is one of the earliest sites with pieces of evidence of farming and herding in South Asia. Which color was commonly used in Harappan pottery? Red color. The Harappan pottery is bright or dark red and uniformly sturdy and well baked. It consists of wheel made wares, both plain and painted. The plain ware is usually of red clay with or without a fine red slip. The painted pottery was of red and black colors. Several methods were used by the people for the decoration of pottery. Polychrome pottery was rare and mainly considered small vases decorated with geometric pattern, mostly in red, black and green, and less frequently in white and yellow. The color scheme adopted for painting was light black, chocolate or light red over buff or greenish buff background. The beginning of idol worship is to be considered in Pro-Aryan. The pre-Aryan period is considered as the beginning of idol worshipping. Idol worship was prevalent in Indus Valley civilization, and it is evident from the coins discovered from Mohenjo-daro having the seals of God. They probably worshipped Mother Goddess in addition to male and female deities. Which one of the following animals was not represented on the seals and terracotta art of the Harappan culture? Cow. The picture of elephant, rhinoceros, tiger, deer, sheep, etc. are depicted on the seals of terracotta art of Harappan culture, but the cow was not depicted on the seals and terracotta art of the Harappan cultures. Next question is ancient site and archaeological finding. Match the following. The archaeological remains of Harappan port town of Lothal are located along the Bhogwa River, a tributary of Sabarmati in the Gulf of Cambay. Kalibangan town is located on the bank of Ghaggar River, Saraswati River in Hanumangarh district, Rajasthan. Kalibangan has given the evidence of the earliest plugged agricultural field ever revealed through excavation. An inscription comprising 10 large-sized signs of the Harappan script were found from Dholavira of the Harappan script. Dholavira is an UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a 40th site of India, UNESCO World Heritage Site, Dholavira at Gujarat, near Kutch area. Banawali is located in Hisar district of Haryana, from where a terracotta replica of a plug was found. Now, Lothal. Lothal is dockyard. Then, Kalibangan. Kalibangan is plugged field. Then, Banawali. Banawali is an inscription comprising what is found in Banawali? An inscription comprising 10 large size signs of the Harappan script. And Dholavira, नहीं, बनावली में टेराकोटा रेप्लिका ऑफ प्लग, बनावली में टेराकोटा रेप्लिका ऑफ प्लग, जुते हुए खेत की रेप्लिका मिली है टेराकोटा में. और धौलावीरा में क्या मिला है? एन इंस्क्रिप्शन कंप्राइजिंग 10 लार्ज साइज साइंस ऑफ द हरप्पन स्क्रिप्ट दैट इज फाउंड फ्रॉम धौलावीरा. कालीबंगा में प्लग्ड फील्ड मिली है. लोथल में डॉकयार्ड मिला है. धौलावीरा में इंस्क्रिप्शन मिला है जिसमें 10 लार्ज साइज साइंस थे हरप्पन स्क्रिप्ट के. और बनावली में टेराकोटा रेप्लिका मिली है ऑफ अ प्लग, जुता हुआ खेत के. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हरप्पन साइट्स फरोज ऑफ प्लग्ड फील्ड्स हैव बीन फाउंड? कालीबंगन. Which of the following Harappan site terracotta of plug was found? Banawali. A plugged field was discovered at Kalibangan. Harappa में match the list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer from the given codes. Harappa is related to cemetery Art 37. Lothal is related to dockyard. Kalibangan is related to furrowed land, and Mohenjo-daro is related to dancing girl statue. Match the following. Harappa is related to Ravi river. Hastinapur related to Ganga river. Nagarjun Konda related to Krishna river. Pathan related to Godavari river. Match the following. हरप्पा रावी, कालीबंगन घग्गर और सरस्वती, लोथल भोगवा रिवर, रोपर सतलज रिवर. The Great Bath was found from the Indus Valley civilization from Mohenjo-daro. The Great Bath is one of the well-known structure among the ruins of the Indus Valley civilization at Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, Pakistan. The foundation of Great Bath is extended from 55 meters east-west to 33 meters north-south. In the middle of the Great Bath, the pond measures 11.8 meters east to 7.04 meters and has a maximum depth of 2.43 meter. The Great Bath was found at the archaeological site of Mohenjo-daro. Which of the following statement about the Indus Valley civilization is not true? Wrong statement. People knew about iron. People doesn't know about the iron. Accurate drainage system in cities, that is right. Trade and commerce were in an advanced stage, it is also right. Worshipping of mother goddess, it is also right. The Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization. People of this age were not familiar with iron. The drainage system was advanced and covered with slabs. The trade and commerce were in advanced stage. The piece of evidence of both internal and external trade have been found. Many pieces of evidence of the worshipping of mother goddess from Indus Valley civilization has been found. Indus Valley civilization is known for its town planning, for Mohenjo-daro and Harappa for their agricultural work, for its industrialization. Town planning was the unique feature of the Indus Valley civilization. The cities and towns were well planned. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were two major cities of Indus Valley civilization. Since the Harappa site was discovered first, that is why it is known as Harappan civilization. Kalibangan in Rajasthan has given the first evidence 2800 BC of the plugged agriculture field, and evidence of business has been found from Lothal. Thus, all four statements are correct. Which of the following is not correct matched? Wrong answer बताना है. कालीबंगन हरियाणा, that is wrong. What is right? आलमगीरपुर उत्तर प्रदेश, लोथल गुजरात, रोपर पंजाब. Kalibangan is located in Hanumangarh district of Rajasthan. Kalibangan, Rajasthan, Hanumangarh district. It was excavated by A. Ghosh in 1951. The excavation revealed that the western mound was a fortified enclosure with rectangular salients and towns. Except this, all are correct. For the Harappan cultural sites and its position, which of the following is not correctly matched? Wrong बताना है. राखीगढ़ी राजस्थान गलत है. सही कौन कौन से? आलमगीरपुर उत्तर प्रदेश, बनावली हरियाणा, दैमाबाद महाराष्ट्र. Rakhigadi village is situated in Hisar district of Haryana along the bank of the Ghaggar Hakra river. This site was discovered by Suraj Bhan in 1969. It is the largest site of Indus Valley civilization right now. R1A1 DNA is found here. Match the following list. Harappan site and location. Manda, Jammu Kashmir, Daimabad, Maharashtra, Kalibangan, Rajasthan, Rakhigadi, Haryana. Match the following list. Harappan site and state of India. Balu, Haryana, Manda, Jammu Kashmir, Padri, Gujarat, Hulas, Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following site of Harappan culture are located in Sindh? मोहनजोदारो एंड चन्हूदरो. मोहनजोदारो एंड चन्हूदरो सिंध में है. Among the above option, Harappa is located in Punjab, Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro and Chanhudaro both are located in Sindh province, and Sutkotada is located in Gujarat, and Sutka Gendor located in Baluchistan. The excavation of Chanhudaro was directed by J. H. Mackay. The ruined township of Chanhudaro, situated 130 km southeast of Mohenjo-daro, was discovered by N. G. Mazumdar in 1931, and excavation on a large scale by E. J. H. Mackay in 1935-1936. Mackay found bead making factory and furnace from here. Some phase cut bricks were found from Chanhudaro. Which site of Indus Valley civilization is now in Pakistan? Harappa. Harappa is an archaeological site in Montgomery district of Punjab province, now in Sahiwal district of Pakistan. It is located on the bank of river Ravi. Kalibangan is located in Hanumangarh district of Rajasthan. Lothal is located in Gujarat. Alamgirpur is located in Uttar Pradesh. Alamgirpur, Uttar Pradesh. Rangpur, where the contemporary of Harappan civilization was found in, is in Saurashtra. Rangpur is located in Saurashtra region of western India on the coast of Arabian Sea in Gujarat state. On the basis of large vegetative remains, it can be said that these people used to cultivate rice, bajra and millet. The Dheri is late Harappan site of Punjab. The Dheri was a prehistoric excavation site of Govindgarh district, Ludhiana, Punjab. The Dheri is known for its painted grey ware culture, which is supposed to be associated with the arrival of the Aryans. Which site of the Indus Valley civilization is located in India? Lothal. Lothal is situated near the village of Saragwala in the Dholka Taluka in Ahmedabad district of Gujarat. It is situated 2 kilometers from Saragwala village north on the bank of Bhogwa river. It was discovered by S. R. Rao in 1954. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are situated in Pakistan. The Harappan city represented by the archaeological site of Lothal was situated on the river Bhogwa. Harappan civilization Lothal is located in Gujarat. The port city of Indus Valley civilization was Lothal. Lothal is the only place of Indus Valley civilization from where the piece of evidence of ports have been found, which is located exactly in the east of the city. What is the most significant feature of Indus Valley civilization? Burnt brick buildings. The use of burnt bricks in the construction of buildings was one of the main features of Indus Valley civilization. Burnt bricks were used in absence of abundance in Harappa. Burnt bricks were used in abundance in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. In Lothal, burnt bricks were used in construction of drainage. Which of the following is Harappan port? That is Lothal. Which of the following is not an Indus Valley civilization site? Not Pataliputra is not a site. Kalibangan, Ropar and Lothal are related to Indus Valley civilization, but Pataliputra, adjacent to modern-day Patna, was a major city during Mahajanpada period. Which one of the following is not Harappan site? Sohgaura. Sohgaura is a village located on the bank of Rapti river in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. A copper plate inscription of Mauryan period has been found here, which gives us information about the storehouses present here. Chanhudaro, Kotdiji and Desalpur are Harappan sites. Chanhudaro and Kotdiji are present in the current Sindh province of Pakistan, whereas Desalpur is located in the Kutch region of Gujarat. The largest site of Harappa in India is Rakhigadi. With the recent discovery of two mounds, Rakhigadi 350 hectares in Haryana is the largest site. The biggest Harappan site in India is Rakhigadi. Indus Valley civilization, which was placed on the banks of the river Devar, Sindhu, Chenab, Jhelum. Geographically, Indus Valley civilization was spread from Jhelum River to Hindon River, a tributary of Yamuna River in South Alamgirpur. It consists of rivers like Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Jhelum, but Ganga River does not belong to this. The people of Indus Valley civilization believed in undeciphered script of Indus Valley civilization has attracted speculation and hypothesis. The people of Indus Valley civilization probably worshipped Mother Goddess, Lord Shiva. They may perform yagya and yog mudra. Fire yagya, that is fire pit, found in Rajasthan and Gujarat sites. Burial rituals indicate belief in Atma or spirit. Evidence of human sacrifice also found in Mohenjo-daro. तो sacrificial system भी है, spirit and ब्रह्मा, spirit and शिवा, like this ये भी है. Rituals भी थोड़ा बहुत है, यज्ञ type, and mother goddess they worshipped. The Indus Valley civilization people worshipped Shiva. Marshall identified the figure which he found during excavation as an early form of the Hindu god Shiva or Rudra or Pashupati, lord of animals. From the excavation of Harappa, the Pashupati seal, in which the three-faced male god is shown sitting in a yogic posture, surrounded by a rhino and a buffalo on the right, an elephant and a tiger on the left, make the historian conclude that the people of those days worshipped Lord Shiva, or cylindrical stones show that the people worshipped Lingam, the symbol of Lord Shiva. Who was the director of the archaeological excavation that led to the discovery of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? That is Sir John Marshall. Sir John Marshall was the Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India from 1902 to 1928. He appointed Mr. R.B. Dayaram Sahni, who carried out excavation in the Larkhana district of Sindh province and Montgomery district of Punjab on the right side of river Ravi. Mr. Sahni discovered the ruins of Harappa in 1921. Mr. Rakhaldas Banerjee dug out the ruins of the city of Mohenjo-daro in 1922. Two Indians who were associated with the discovery of Indus Valley civilization are Rakhaldas Banerjee and Dayaram Sahni. Match the following list: Harappa Dayaram Sahni 1923-24 and 1924-25. Hastinapur B.B. Lal 1950 to 1952. Takshila John Marshall 1913 to 1934. Kaushambi and G. Mazumdar 1936 to 1937. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Wrong बताना है. धौलावीरा बी के थापर wrong है. राइट कौन कौन से? हरप्पा दयाराम साहनी, लोथल एस आर राव, सुरकोटदा जे.पी. जोशी. Harappa was excavated by Dayaram Sahni, Lothal was by S.R. Rao and Surkotada by J.P. Joshi, but Dhaulavira was not excavated by B.K. Thapar. Instead, it was excavated by R.S. Bisht. It is important. Dhaulavira, 40th UNESCO World Heritage Site. The first archaeologist who excavated Harappa but could not recognize its significance was A. Cunningham. Alexander Cunningham, who headed the Archaeological Survey of India, visited this site in 1853 and 1856. Cunningham made a few small excavations at the site and reported some discoveries of ancient pottery, stone tools, and a stone seal, but did not recognize its significance. Later, John Marshall sent Rakhaldas Banerjee and Dayaram Sahni to begin further excavation of Harappan site. Who among the following was not associated with the excavation of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? V.A. Smith. And who were associated with the excavation of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? R.D. Banerjee, Rakhaldas Banerjee, K.N. Dixit, and M.S. Vats. In 1921, Dayaram Sahni surveyed Harappa. In 1926, M.S. Vats was associated with the survey of Harappa. Mohenjo-daro was discovered in 1922 by Rakhaldas Banerjee. In addition to him, some other scholars like K.N. Dixit, Ernest Mackay, Aurel Steen, A. Ghosh, J.P. Joshi also contributed in the discovery of this civilization. Hence, it is clear that V.A. Smith was not associated with the discovery of Harappan civilization, rather was a British Indologist and art historian. V.A. Smith was British Indologist and art historian and not related to Harappa. From which one of the following place remains of wells have been found in houses belonging to the developed stage in Indus Valley civilization? Remains of well and bathroom have been found in approximately every major city of Indus Valley civilization. Either it is Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Lothal, so many cities. Mohenjo-daro is situated in which of the following? Sindh province of Pakistan. What is the correct chronological order in which the following appeared in India? Urban culture first, then iron plug, then punch marked silver coins, then gold coins. Harappan civilization, the most ancient civilization in India, is famous for its town planning. Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization. The Knowledge of iron was known much later after bronze during the Vedic period around 1000 BC. At that time, iron was known. The first punch marked coin came into existence in India in 6th BC. 6th BC. Golden coins were introduced by Indo-Greek rulers during 2nd century BC. The first metal used by men was copper. Copper was the metal which was used firstly by humans, though there is variation in the period around the globe as far as the use of copper is concerned. An ivory scale in Harappan context was found at Lothal. An ivory scale in the Harappan context was found at Lothal. Lothal is a place associated with Indus Valley civilization currently in Gujarat. Which metal has so far not been discovered in Harappan site? Iron. Harappan civilization is also known as the Bronze civilization. From here pieces of evidence of gold, silver, copper and brass have been found except iron. In fact, the people of Harappa were not aware of iron. In India, the beginning of Iron Age is considered to be from the later Vedic period, approximately 1000 BC. Which one among the following sites is located in the valley of Ghaggar and its associated rivers? Banavali. Banavali is an archaeological site belonging to the Indus Valley civilization period in Fatehabad district, Haryana. Banavali is located in the Indus Valley in the valley of Ghaggar. Banavali is located in the valley of Ghaggar, that is Saraswati, and its tributaries. Consider the following statements and select the correct answer. Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Ropar and Kalibangan are the main sites of Indus Valley civilization. Correct. People of Harappa developed the road, proper housing and drainage system. Correct. And what is wrong? Incorrect statement. People of Harappa were unknown about the use of metals. That is wrong. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Ropar, Lothal, Kalibangan are the main sites of Indus Valley civilization. In this civilization, most of the cities were designed in a grid pattern. A proper drainage system was aligned along the roads. A proper drainage system was aligned along the road, which was covered with the big stones and bricks. The forms of art were found from various sites of civilization, including seals, pottery, gold ornaments and necklaces. Assertion reason question. What is assertion? Mohenjo-daro and Harappa sites are dead now. Reason? They were discovered during excavation. Assertion and reason both are true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Mohenjo-daro, now in Pakistan, is in the Larkana district of Sindh province on the right side of the Indus River. Harappa is located in the Montgomery district of Punjab province of Pakistan. Rakhal Das Banerjee and Dayaram Sahani were the two archaeologists who excavated two major sites of Indus Valley civilization. Rakhal Das Banerjee, Mohenjo-daro; Dayaram Sahani, Harappa. At present, these sites are extinct. From where the evidence of rock cut architecture was found with reference to Harappan civilization. Dholavira. Dholavira, which is the second largest site of Harappan civilization in India after Rakhigadi, is located in Rann of Kutch, Gujarat. R.S. Bisht and his colleagues excavated this site in 1992. Dholavira is one of the most prominent archaeological sites of Harappa, which gives us important information about Great Bath and rock cut reservoir, which was 7 meters deep and 79 meters long, and a structure of dam also. Dholavira is located in the state of Gujarat. Which Harappan city is divided into three parts? That is Dholavira. Dholavira is an Harappan site located in Kutch district of Gujarat. The town was built in a rectangular shape. It was divided into three parts: fort, central town and lower town. In which one of the following site remnants of the three townships have been revealed? That is Dholavira. A highly advanced water management system of Harappan times has been unearthed at Dholavira. From Dholavira, a huge rock-cut reservoir is found, whose size is about 80.4 meter is to 12 meter is to 75 meter is to 7.5 meters deep. 80.4 meter is to 12 meter, that is the size, and depth is 7.5 meters, having a huge capacity to store water. People of Dhalavira were familiar with the advanced water management system. From the earliest evidence, people used to store water in this reservoir by building dams. Which of the following sites has yielded evidence of a double burial? Though the evidence of the triple burial has been found from Lothal, it was an important trade center of the Harappan culture. It, its town planning was different than the Harappan and Mohenjo-daro. The city was divided into 6 sections. Each section was built on a wide platform of unripe bricks, and each platform is separated by a road 12 to 20 feet. The evidence of double burial also has been found from Kalibangan. If we follow the number of burials, then Kalibangan is the right answer. And if we next question. Recently, from excavation of Harappan site, Sonali was found. And what was found from Sonali? Sonali. You can watch the movie, Netflix movie, Secret of the Sonali, from where we can find so many things. First, that is a horse chariot, wooden horse chariot with copper copper wheel, and double burial sites, human burial sites, some copper weapons like a sword of copper, like a sword which is made of copper. Sonali is an archaeological site located in Barot Tehsil, Baghpat district, Uttar Pradesh, where 125 graves belonging to Indus Valley civilization were found. These graves oriented in a north-south direction, and most are identified as primary human burials. Some of the burials are found with animal bones and gold, copper and bangles. For clothing, cotton cultivation was first introduced in India. Cotton was first cultivated in India for clothing. In 1922, Rakhaldas Banerjee took interest in the site of Mohenjo-daro for excavation. Evidence of the earliest cotton cultivation was found by excavation in India. From India, it reached to Greece, where it was called as Hindon. The cotton cultivation in India started in 3000 BC, while it was cultivated in Egypt in 2500 BC. Regarding the Indus Valley civilization, consider the following statement. The It was predominantly a secular civilization, and the religious element, though present, did not dominate the scene. During this period, cotton was used for manufacturing textile in India. Indus Valley civilization is considered to be secular civilization with no trace of theocratic or organized religion. Cotton textiles were produced during the Harappan period as shown by artifact evidence. Which of the following characteristics which of the following characterizes the people of Indus civilization? They worshipped both male and female deities. No temple or place of worship has been found after excavation from Indus Valley civilization till date. The only religious source from the civilization is statues made of mud and stone and seals which were found here. By this it is known that female deities Shiva or Pashupati and animals like snake, elephant were worshipped. Worship of plant and trees or inanimate stone or other objects in the form of linga and yoni symbols was famous during that period. One of the following sites from where the famous bull seal of Indus Valley civilization was found. Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is an archaeological site in the province of the Sindh, Pakistan, excavated by Rakhal Das Banerjee in 1922. From this site, various sculptures like seal, pottery, gold, and jewelry have been found, but the most famous among them the humped bull seal, कुबड़ वाला जो बैल होता है उसकी seal. Which one of the following animal is not depicted on the Harappan seal? Horse. People of Harappan civilization were known to horses, but no pieces of evidence were found on the seal. But in the Sonoli, in the excavation of Sonoli, they found one chariot. A great majority of seals found in Indus Valley civilization carry short inscription with pictures of the one-horned bull, most common, the buffalo, the tiger, the rhinoceros, and the goat, and the elephant, remains of which animal have not been discovered in the Indus Valley civilization. Lion. Among the given option, the evidence of cow and elephant have been found, and there is some dispute regarding horse, but the latest excavation has revealed the evidence of horse. The evidence of lion from the excavation of Harappan civilization has not been mentioned anywhere. According to the report of IIT Kharagpur, study group continuous low rainfall for how many years was the cause of fall of Indus Valley civilization? 900 years. According to the reports of IIT Kharagpur, the continuous low or negligible rainfall for 900 years was the cause of fall of the Indus Valley civilization. In other words, it can be said that continuous drought for 900 years led the fall of Indus Valley civilization. A horned deity engraved on the terracotta cake has been recovered from Kalibangan. From excavation at Kalibangan, a series of fire altars on mud brick platforms were discovered. A triangular terracotta cake found at Kalibangan had a carving of a horned deity on one side and an animal, that is goat, being dragged by a rope by a human on the other. This shows the way to the emergence of a sacrificial tradition in the entire era. From the excavation at Kalibanga, a series of fire altars on the mud brick platform were discovered. A triangular terracotta cake found at Kalibangan had a carving of a horned deity on one side and an animal like goat being dragged by a rope by a human on the other. This shows the way to the emergence of a sacrificial tradition in the entire era. Which one of the following civilization flourished on the bank of river Nile? Egyptian civilization. Ancient Egyptian civilization flourished along the bank of the river Nile for almost 3000 years. Nile River is known as the lifeline of Egypt. The Nile is major north-flowing river in the northeastern Africa, generally regarded as the longest in the world. Indus Valley civilization, India, and Mesopotamia civilization of Egypt are the contemporary civilization. What is the correct north-south sequence of the following civilization? North-south sequence: Aztec, Maya, Muisca, and Inca. That is north to south sequence. The correct sequence of the following civilization from north to south: Aztec, Maya, Muisca, Muisca or Muisca, and Inca. The Aztec originated as nomadic tribe in North Mexico. The Maya civilization centered around tropical lowland of the present Guatemala. The Muisca civilization flourished in the ancient Colombia, whereas the Inca civilization arose from the highlands of Peru. The first ancient civilization to develop the art of writing in a proper system was Sumerian civilization. People of Sumerian civilization were the first to develop the art of writing in a proper system. Their primary script was very simple and primitive, cuneiform script of Sumeria is generally known as one of the earliest system of writing. Cuneiform, Cuneiform, cuneiform script of Sumeria. Thank you very much.